Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to enable call screening on iPhone iOS 26. So for example, if you are get want to get rid of the unknown caller or spam calls on your iPhone iOS 26, then you can simply enable call screening, and after that, anyone for which is not number which is not saved on your iPhone will be asked for the reason to call. So you will get a notification whether you want to receive that call or not, which means your call will be screened. So if you want to do the settings, you have to simply watch this video completely. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of iOS 26 on your iPhone. For this, you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to go to general, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of iOS 26, and after that you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings again, and this time you have to look for the apps, and in apps you have to simply look for the full app, and after that you have to simply click on that full app, and here you have to simply look for the unknown numbers, unknown caller settings. So here you can simply search for the settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply search for the settings of silent unknown calls, and after that you will, if you turn this on, then you can simply click on the SMS call report setting, and after that it will ask you whether you want to get the full all calls or not, and after that you can simply select the settings which enables call screening. So here you can simply check for the block call text, and you can simply add block call text, and here you can simply find all the settings related to call screening, and after that you can simply enable it from here. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.